What are you doing?
Oh, yeah. Oh.
Brandon, what are you doing?
Mama.
Hi, baby. You done?
Fight.
You want to fight?
Fight.
No, don't do that. Oh, knockout. You okay? You want to go play now with our toys? Okay, come on. Say bye, fight.
Bye.
Okay, come on, let's go. Come on. You're done fighting. Hey. He wants to be picked up to hit that other thing. Do you know how to kick? Shadow. He's watching his shadow when he fights. See him? Brandon, you know how to kick? Show us how you kick. Oh. No, you get owies. Don't. I don't want you getting owies. Put your pad back up there. Mommy don't want you getting hurt. Yes, you can help. Okay, let's put that pad back on so you don't get owies. What are you doing?